Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 3. How are you all? Hope you all are fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Deshit. Today I am going to take the class of Islamic Studies for class 3. And today our topic is SQ. Short question answer 4 and 5, and also broad question answer 1 from chapter 1. Lecture number 6, SW number 5. My beloved students, in your book there are total 7 short question answer in exercise, but we will not do all. Among the 7 short question answer, we will do only the 5. And rest 2 answer we will leave that, because if we do all the short question according to the exercise, then it will be very long for you. It's difficult for you for learning. That's why only short question answer 1, 2, 3 already you got that previous class, and today short question 4 and 5. In your book there is D and E, and rest of all short question we will not learn that. Okay, let's start. So, short question number 4, what does Allahu Khaliqun mean? Answer, Allahu Khaliqun mean Allah is the creator. He is the creator of everything. He has created our hands, legs, eyes, etc. Students, you already informed Allah has many attributive names. Allahu Khaliqun, Allahu Rabbun, Allahu Rahmanun, Allahu Ghafurun, etc. etc. So among there, what does Allahu Khaliqun means? Allahu Khaliqun, it's an Arabic word. Khaliqun, it's an Arabic word. Khaliqun means creator. So why Allah's name is Khaliqun? Because Almighty Allah created everything. That's why His name is Khaliqun. And He has created our hands, full body, full of the human beings. So hand, legs, eyes, hairs, heads, everything Almighty Allah has created. That's why His name is Khaliqun. I hope you understood. Now question number 5. What trouble would happen if we had no hands? Answer, if we had no hands, we would not be able to catch anything. We would not be able to help the poor and helpless people. My beloved students, for example, if I don't use my hand, you think I have no hand. So how can I write that? How can I write on the board? Or how can I open the book? So I need to use my mouth, or I need to use my leg, etc. So those have no one hand or two hand, for all them there is the problem. So this is the Allah's mercy, this is the Allah's kindness. Almighty Allah given us 2 hands. Almighty Allah given us eyes, mouth, legs, full body. That's why sometimes we will gratitude to the Almighty Allah, Alhamdulillah. So if we had no hands, 1 or 2 hands, then we would be face the problem, difficulties. And we cannot help to the other, poor, the helpless people. Okay, now question number 1, broad question number 1. You will get in your book this question. How does Allah cherishes us? Cherish us. Cherish means rear, take care. Answer, Almighty Allah is the cherisher of all creatures. He cherishes us by giving light, air, water, crops and vegetables. Allah has given us cows, goats and so many animals. We eat their meat. None can live without this. Thus Allah cherishes us. My beloved students, how Almighty Allah is cherishing us? Here said that. So Allah is rearing us by giving the sunlight, by giving the air or animals. For example, we are taking the meat of many kinds of animals, goat, cows, buffaloes, camels, etc. And from some animals we are taking the milk. and sometimes we are taking the vegetables. So human beings and all living beings, they are live by taking all of these things. Without taking this, they cannot live in this world. So thus, like this, Almighty Allah is cherishing the human beings, cherishing us. I hope you understood. Now keep concentration to the HW. Students, your HW is BQ1. Only answer from here. I am showing you only this question answer you will write as HW. Only answer you will pick up from here. I hope you understood. And this is HW number 5. That's all for today, my dear students. Keep practicing at home to abide by your parents. See you next class, inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.